Welcome back to my channel. It is Monday today and we are getting a fresh start after Ramadan and Eid. I feel like literally my house is a disaster right now. We still have all the Ramadan decor out. So I'm doing a little house reset today because I mean we've got Eid toys everywhere. I did not do anything this past weekend because I was just enjoying my time with family and friends and kids and everything. So let's get this house back in order. Most of the Ramadan decor is put away now. I just kind of need to like wipe things down, but my groceries just arrived, so I thought I would go ahead and do a little haul for you guys. Okay, starting first on this side, we've got the little baby crackers that Jonah loves. I really only give this to him when I need him to be distracted because it's like barely any nutrition. I feel like it just keeps him happy. Again, baby pouches because sometimes you're just on the go and you just need something. And to be honest, you guys, let me know if anyone else is like this, but I think just this time around being so busy, a lot of times I have given him this for like breakfast or whatever, and now he really only prefers fruit. I have a really hard time getting him to eat other things, and I just don't remember Elena being that picky. So let me know if any of you guys have a picky baby. I thought that only started in toddlerhood. I ordered the lime Nixie, but they delivered the black cherry lime, so I'm kind of thinking this might be similar to Dr. Pepper-ish. I could be completely wrong. I'll let you guys know how this one goes. I got some dried apricots and pistachios. I also have some little sugar bee apples. These Elena loves. They're so delicious, and she loves that they have the little bee here. Have to have sourdough bread. I love this one. It literally tastes like you got it from a bakery. And then these are my weakness, you guys. Flax brownies. They are so delicious, and they don't have any dairy or even gluten. They're gluten-free. They're so good. I was running low on teas because I drank so much tea and offered it during Ramadan and stuff. Moroccan mint is a staple in our house, as well as lemon balm. I love to drink this one before bed. These are my weakness. I feel like I've shared this so many times. The salted caramel chocolates, so good. I've been craving tuna sandwiches, so I got stuff to make that. I have that, and I have the mayo, and then I got some red onion. I have pickle already, and I already have celery, and I'm just gonna whip that up for sandwiches. I always need some baby cucumbers on hand just to give Elena one for a snack, or to put in her lunch, or to put in salads. I got a whole ton of bananas because we pretty much do smoothies like almost every other day, and I need them for freezing. I got berries. Jonah is obsessed with raspberries, like even just breaking them in half, and he loves to just pick them up and eat them by himself. He also loves strawberries too. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you guys are into fruit smoothies, then you have to try just freezing fresh strawberries instead of buying the frozen ones. I'm telling you guys, they taste so much better. It's crazy. Then I have regular yogurt to make Elena's lebne for her lebne sandwiches for school. And then I also got this Harmless Harvest. It's coconut milk yogurt, and since Jonah is like obsessed with fruit and I just wanted to give him like some more, I don't know, does this even have protein? I'm like, I feel like the worst mom ever. No. Well, anyways, I've been mixing yogurt with the fruit, and he's been breaking out in eczema, so I've been trying to avoid dairy to see if that could be a trigger for him. So we have the coconut milk yogurt. These are the little cheese sticks for Elena, and then I'm gonna make a soup. I have a bunch of ingredients already, and I just needed the chicken, so I can put that in the soup. I think that's pretty much everything. So let me put all this away and then wipe everything down. and neat again. Nice and clean. The Tin Cow literally gets my floors so clean. It's kind of like bittersweet. Like, I was really craving a refresh, but putting away the Ramadan decor, like, it's honestly a little bit sad. And inshallah, we all make it to the next Ramadan and we can enjoy it again. It's always so sad when that time of year comes to an end, honestly. So you guys, it is the next day. I am about to open up and do a little unboxing of some clothes with you guys because we are prepping to go on our first international trip with the kids. I don't think I've mentioned this to you guys yet. I think I shared this on, I don't know where, Instagram or TikTok, but we are going to be going to the Maldives with the kids in 2 weeks. We're actually stopping in Turkey, in Istanbul, because we're flying Turkish Airlines, and we're only going to be in Maldives for 4 days. And with the time change and with all of that with the kids, I was like, we're never going to be able to enjoy the Maldives if we go straight there. So we're staying in Istanbul for I think 3 days just to kind of adjust to the time zone so that we can actually fully enjoy the Maldives, inshallah. But if you guys have followed me forever, then you know that Omar and I have been to the Maldives twice. Our first one was for our honeymoon, and the second one was for our baby moon before we had Elena. And we were not planning on taking any kind of trips like this in the near future at all. Mostly because we just moved into this house. We wanted to really settle in. We didn't really want to travel too much. The kids are at a very young age and it's very difficult to travel with them. But we got this opportunity and we were like, do we just pass it up just because we're scared to travel with the kids? Or do we just go and just make the most of it? We are going to be able to take help with us. So we're taking my mother-in-law. And so she's going to be able to experience the Maldives with us, and also we'll just have an extra set of hands to help us wrangle the kids and stuff. So we were like, let's just do it. And we're so excited, but also still very nervous. If you guys have any advice, please let me know. But I will be sharing everything and all my experience of traveling with them and let you guys know of any advice I have once I go through all of that. I'm still terrified, honestly. I have literally nothing new to wear for this trip. So I placed an order on Naked Fashion. My sisters have been shopping there a ton and they do have some modest pieces. So let me show you guys what I got. I got a ton of shoes. I have like 4 boxes. I honestly kind of forgot which shoes I got, but I know I got some sandals. So let me show you guys these first. I was really excited about these because yes, they're just like the same kind of strappy sandals that I love to wear all the time, but these are just a slip-on. You don't have any buckles. You just slip your feet in, and I thought it was a really good heel height. So that is like literally so much easier than having to buckle your sandals or tie anything or anything like that. So we'll try these on. I love the square toe, so cute. I got them in black and I got them in brown. I literally forgot which colors I got, but these will be staples in my wardrobe. I also thought that these chunky mules were so cute. I just needed like a little shoe refresh. I haven't gotten new sandals in a very long time, so these are so cute and I love the color. They'll match so many things. Can you guys tell that my shoe choices now are just for ease? Like, I just need to be able to slip my foot in because I'm chasing around babies. Okay, now these really give off vacation vibes for me. They're these little like knit woven sandals, which looked so comfortable, and I just love like the texture on them. So cute. Okay, now are you guys ready for the clothes? Because I don't think you are. This dress, I don't think I can get far enough away. I may have to show you guys in the mirror. But the drape and the flared sleeves, so flattering. Let me show you guys in the mirror. Okay, how pretty is this? Seriously, I love these drapes. I just paired it with those cream colored sandals. I think this would look gorgeous on a tropical vacation. It would also be pretty for just like a special occasion, like a wedding or some kind of like shower or something like that. And the material is like a lightweight cooling material, so it's perfect for summer. I am wearing a size medium in this dress. It is so flattering and so cute. Next up is this crinkly olive matching set. It is like a really long oversized top with these wide leg pants, and I just feel like this is such an easy look to wear on vacation or just casual days during spring, summer. I love the color of it. The top is pretty oversized. I probably would size down. I got a 38 and I think I needed a 36. If you're gonna button it all the way up, it would be cute to maybe like tuck one side in, like leave one side out just to add a little bit more shape, or you could just leave it open with the bodysuit under. This outfit is so good. Look at this maxi skirt. It is the perfect cut, the perfect length. It's not too flowy. It's not too tight. It is so perfect. And it's this really nice satiny without being too shiny. And it does come in other colors. And then I paired it with this kind of boxy flared sleeve blazer, which is so stunning. So this is actually not one of my options for Maldives. I feel like it's a little bit too businessy. It doesn't really fit the vibe, but we are having a layover in Istanbul, like I said, and this would look gorgeous there. And honestly, I would just wear this out to like date night or dinner or something. So good. I love it. And I just paired it with a brown bodysuit and those brown sandals from Naked as well. That concludes my little haul. And you guys, this is my first time wearing earrings with my hijab. I'm still gonna try to play around with it a little bit so you can actually see them a little bit better. But I see all the girls rocking their earrings with hijab and I love it so much. I can link these earrings down below as well. I believe they are Gaia dupes or some brand. Let me know if you guys think I pull it off. With spring summer coming up, I actually have no room in my closet for these new pieces for the upcoming season. So I think tomorrow I'm gonna do a little declutter with you guys so we can get that back in order. I don't know, after we haven't decluttered since we moved into the house, and I like to declutter at least twice a year. So it's coming up on that. So we've got to go through the closets. I already went through a lot of the Ramadan decor after I took it all down yesterday, and I went ahead and donated some of it, not all of it. All the stuff that was out I actually kept, but I had a ton in my little decor closet that I was sent from brands and stuff that I just knew I wasn't going to use, so I donated that to our mosque. They were so excited and grateful for it, so they'll use it next year, inshallah. It is the next day. I am in my everyday closet. I don't take you guys in here that much, but this is the closet that I get dressed from every day. I have my workout clothes, pajamas, daily wear in here, but I also have my maxi dresses. Well, it's hard to point. I have my maxi dresses back there, and I actually literally built that area back there for just maxi dresses because I have so many. And fun fact, the bar, it got so heavy because there's so many on there that it was literally bending and it was gonna break. So we had to reinforce it. It was like a whole thing. So basically I have too many clothes, especially just my line of work. I have just new stuff in coming all the time, so I've got to declutter at least a couple of times a year. So I thought we'd do it together. I always either donate things or I Poshmark with the really nice stuff. So let's get started.
I snuck up on Lena.
You always do this.
This is gonna be in the middle of a time lapse, huh?
You always do that.
If you see this, comment down below.
It's a successful declutter. We need to get all the hangers off and put them in bags for donation. I want to show you guys, I kind of rearranged a little bit in here. Right now I have all of my loungewear, pajamas here. I moved all my blazers and tops and knitwear up here. And then I have all of my bottoms down there. And then I kept coats and dresses here. It honestly doesn't even look that much different, but I have a ton of extra hangers now, which is so much better. Something else I just did is put away all of my maternity clothes. You guys, I could not be more grateful for pregnancy and for Jonah and for a healthy baby and all of that, but I'm not gonna lie, it was just a little bit triggering seeing all my maternity clothes again, and I am so grateful not to be pregnant anymore. It was so rough at the end. I know you other moms can probably relate, because the second I gave birth I was just happy not to be pregnant anymore, but I did keep them because I am planning, inshallah, God willing, to have another baby, at least one more, but I have a lot to accomplish before I have my next baby, inshallah. I want to really just take my career in kind of a different direction. There's really not much I can say yet, but I'm sure if you guys have followed me forever, then you probably kind of know the direction that I want to take everything, and now is the time. So I would just be so grateful if you guys would just pray for me on this journey, and just know that behind the scenes I am working overtime to get my career on a different path. That's all I can say really right now, but I hope that you guys who know my heart and know my intentions with everything everything. I'm just hoping that you guys can give me the benefit of the doubt and be patient with me. I'm have to be patient as well because things take time, but inshallah by next year things will be a lot different. I know that that probably makes no sense to a lot of you guys, but I do know that a lot of you guys will know what I'm talking about. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one, inshallah. Bye.